Whenever you are trying to create a TikTok account, you are facing the error not eligible for TikTok account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how we can solve if TikTok says that we are not eligible to create an account at this time. So without any further ado and without any delay, let's get started with today's video. Whenever you're trying to create an account and it says not eligible for a TikTok account, there could be many various cases for this. Now, the first thing you have to be careful is when you're trying to create your account, you need a phone number or an email address, or you can continue with your Facebook or your Google account. So you can do that. One of the first reasons you're not eligible for a TikTok account is if you're underage. So if you might have entered your birth date that made you below 13 years of age or 16 years of age in some countries, then in that case, you won't be eligible for TikTok accounts. So during the sign up process, you must be careful when entering your birth date. And if you selected continue with Facebook or continue with Google and you still got that, then it could be that the age for your Google account or Facebook account or your Apple ID is set to also under 13 years of age, and that is why TikTok is not letting you sign up. In some cases, it could be that TikTok might not be available in your country, so check some of the legal restrictions within your area, or you can simply try to use a VPN. There are many VPN services out there. You can use any ones that you wish, whether free or paid. Connect to a server or a region that has TikTok allowed, and then you can enable and try to create an account again. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.